Hey gang, welcome back to Opaw's Diecast Restorations. Today we got a Husky Mk10 Jaguar. Before we get started though, if you like my videos, please hit that subscribe button. Anyway, I guess this was a police car or a cop car at one time, but we're going to fix that problem. The windshield was smashed in it, so it came apart in just 3 pieces. Into our new citrus stripper. Set that aside for a few minutes. Snap our wheels off. Wheels and tires are all one piece. After about 10-15 minutes, just start peeling the paint off. This citrus stripper I love. Got a better smell than anything else, and it works perfectly well. After a quick wash and brushing, this is what we ended up with. Completely stripped. Give it a little bath in the mineral oil. Or mineral spirits, excuse me. Clean it up with the Scotch-Brite. Another little bath in the mineral spirits. Make sure everything's off and dry. Put a little piece of masking tape on the inside. Mix up a little JB weld. Make sure you pack it in the hole really good. Leave it a little heavy and proud of the hole. Here we go with our primer. Krylon gray. See, that hole disappeared. ready to put our first coat of our paint. I used the Createx Pearl Black, but I don't know. It's like a dark gray, like a dark gunmetal gray, more than it is a black, but paint job turned out great though. I only had the one piece to clean and scrub, and that was the interior. Get the wheels back on. You can see I also chrome the front and back bumper as well as the grille. Rolls perfect. Touched up the end of the nail hubs. I had painted the bottom kind of a satin black. Here we are ready for reassembly. You can see I made a new windshield for the car. Here's what we started with. Play-worn, old, Husky Mk10 Jaguar. This is what we ended up with. I had sprayed 2 coats of clear coat on it when I was all finished. If you like these videos, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, I see you're all watching, but hit that subscribe button after you do. For now, this is Opa saying goodbye. Nice roller. Do a couple of donuts here.